Every donor journey starts with one thing, making it easy to believe, connect, and give. And your website? That's where it either begins or ends. I'm Jamal, and today I've got 6 nonprofit website best practices to help you turn just browsing curiosity into just gave commitment. We're talking mission-driven designs, smooth donation flows, mobile must-dos, and more. Now's the time to hit subscribe. We'll be diving deeper into what motivates donors after they land on your site in upcoming videos. But right now, let's build a site that makes giving effortless and impact inevitable. First, let's talk tools, because how you build your site plays a huge role in how easy it is to update, optimize, and of course, fundraise. Unless you're a computer wonk, a content management system is the best bet to build and maintain your website. There are 2 main types. Managed CMS platforms like Wix or Squarespace are beginner-friendly. They're essentially website starter kits, hosting, security, templates, all included. Just drag, drop, and publish. Open source platforms, on the other hand, like WordPress, offer more customization but usually need help from a developer to set up and maintain. Info overload? Don't stress. Just ask these 4 questions to find your best fit platform. Can I update it myself? Does it sync with my donation and email tools? Is it mobile friendly? Can I customize to reflect my brand from landing page to donation form? Plus, WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, and many others all play nicely with Donorbox, so you've got options. Time to manage your mission statement. It should be front and center, not bury 5 clicks deep in a submenu. When someone lands on your homepage, they should know instantly who you are, what you stand for, and how they can help. Keep it short, bold, and specific. Try something like this. We feed 5,000 families a month. Help us reach 10,000. Pair it with a strong image or stat. Make it your homepage anchor. Easy to find, easy to act on. Let's talk visuals. Skip the phony stock photos. Use real pictures, your team, your work, your community. That's what builds trust. Here's the goal. High quality, real faces, real stories. On a budget, and who isn't these days, your phone camera and editing tools can work wonders if you take the time to master them. You and your budget will be pleasantly surprised. If your work is data heavy or happens behind the scenes, don't just tell, show. Infographics are your friend here. Platforms like Canva have slick templates and illustrations ready to go. Or try something like Piktochart AI. It turns your text into visuals. No design degree required. Smart, fast, and way more interesting than a wall of text. Best practice here? Let your visuals do the talking. When people see the impact they can make, they're way more likely to act. Streamlining your donation process is the literal deal breaker. Every extra click is a conversion killer. Your donation form should be embedded or instantly accessible. A good rule of thumb is no more than 1 click away. Work flawlessly on mobile. Offer one-click payment options like PayPal, Apple Pay, Venmo, or Donorbox Ultra Swift. And keep the form simple, essential questions only. No distractions, no extra clicks. Best practice, when someone's inspired by your homepage, they should be able to donate in under 30 seconds, period. Want to see what actually works on a donation form? Check out the Donation Form Mastery webinar linked below. We break down what works with real stats and real examples. While you're there, hit that subscribe button. Every page of your site should answer this question. What's the next step you want the visitor to take? That's where strong call to action buttons, CTA buttons, come in. Directional friendly nudges with clear action-oriented language. Instead of a generic give now, try action-driven phrases that tap into empathy. They connect better and convert faster. Make the ask meaningful. Make the action required clear. And make those buttons bold, bright, and placed high up, ideally in the top third of the screen. Bring it home with a sticky donate button that follows visitors as they get to know your mission, gently nudging interest into action. Over 50% of your nonprofit's traffic will come from mobile. And get this, if your site takes longer than 3 seconds to load, 40% of people will bounce. So what do? Compress images. Big files slow you down. Cut unnecessary plugins and widgets. Make sure your fonts and buttons scale on smaller screens. Nothing grinds my gears more than chasing a donate button around a phone screen. The best practice equation to remember here is speed plus size plus simplicity equals donations across devices. And there we have it, 6 core best practices to move the needle for your cause. Nail these and your site won't just look good, it'll convert. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. More expert tips are coming your way and plenty are already waiting. I'll see you next time.